I'm sorry, my camera went off, so I'm going to have to do part 2 of frying the turkey wings. I do apologize for that. The camera just cut clean off, and this is what it looks like. I got them out of the pan. This is the whole big piece right here, and let me show you what it looks like once it's cooked. I'm going to look at that. This is what it looks like when it's fried. And you know you can use a deep fryer. Let me. You hear that crunch? That crunch. That's turkey double fried. And it's real tender. Yes, it is. You can, I boil mine without salt. I don't season the water because my flour is seasoned. And if you hear, I still got a batter over there still cooking. But these are the ones that I got out. I'm sorry my camera stopped. I apologize for that. And I'm coming back to you to let you see how they turned out. These are the big parts. And these are the flappers. And let me tell you, it is juicy and good. Again, this is a Collab. Quick and easy meals with honor of the Grace Life DIY. Deborah Cabassa Home Living. I'm sorry, I'm chewing. This is so good, y'all. It's so good. Jeans Decor, Home and More, and Debbie Bubbles. Y'all, please go on down to that playlist and check these ladies out. They do awesome work for you. And give them a chance and try some of the recipes out. Just let them know that May's Design Corner said to come on down that playlist and check them out. Now, I'm not going to be alone because my camera went out. I think I need to be charged, so I'm not going to hold you long, but I'm going to show you what I'm having for dinner with these fried turkey flappers or wings. Here I have some purple whole peas with snaps and whole baby okra. That's one of my vegetables. Purple whole peas with snaps and whole okra. And let me lift that up for you. That's what they look like. The whole okra. Purple whole peas with whole okra and snaps. That's one of my dishes for dinner today. And the other one is, I have some seasoned turnip greens right there. And let me pick you some up so you can see them. And I use a lot of onions in my turnip greens in my food. These are my seasoned turnip greens. And these are not canned or frozen. These are fresh turnip greens that I cooked myself for my meal. And excuse my look, okay? This is the turkey flappers all done up and ready to be eaten. My purple whole peas, my turnip greens, and here I have my cornbread, but we began to eat off that cornbread, so I just want to let you know we've eaten some of it. So that's our dinner for today. Fried turkey flappers, purple whole peas with okra, and turnip greens. Thank you so very much for looking, and I appreciate you all for staying with us. Don't forget to pray for someone else besides yourself. And y'all, this is God's world. I don't care what people say or how people look. This world belongs to God, and there's nothing you, I, or anybody can do about it. Y'all, I promise you, take it from me. prayer really do work. Yes, it does. I'm a living witness that prayer works. Don't forget to go down that playlist now. And don't forget to pray for someone else besides yourself. This is May's Design Corner saying, enjoy you some turkey flappers. Do. Thank you, Anna. Thank you, Deborah. Thank you, Jean. And thank you, Debbie Bubbles. I do.